Hi, welcome to the T Academy. The purpose of this video is to talk about an addition or subtraction strategy that we teach kids, and that's using a number line. Now, the number line can be one that they have maybe on their desk already with their name tag, or they can draw the number line themselves. In the top number line, it starts at 0 and it goes to 10, and we're going to use it to do the problem 5 plus 4. So usually we tell students to find the big number, which would be 5, and then to do 4 hops forward. So we're starting on 5, and we're hopping 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you would say, what number did we land on? 9. So 5 plus 4 would equal 9. Now you can also use it to do subtraction. So in this problem, 9 minus 3, you would tell them again, start on Big Daddy. Who's Big Daddy? That would be 9. And then this time, since we're subtracting, we have to hop the other way. So we would hop backwards 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And I would actually have your child move their finger and do the hops as they count. So then you would say, all right, with our 3 hops backwards, we landed on the number 6. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. Now you can also, if the problem is bigger, such as these two at the bottom, 23 plus 6, or say 28 minus 5, if their number line does not go that high, we teach children to make something called an open number line. That would be where they would make it to start where they need it to start, and draw their own number line. So for example, on 23 plus 6, I started mine at 20. I actually could have started it at 23 and just had it go on. And you're going to do it the same way. Tell them to start on Big Daddy. That's the biggest number. And now we're going to do 6 hops. And I would actually make them take their finger or their pencil and trace the hops as they go. A common misconception is they want to start counting at 23 and say that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that gets them the wrong answer. So you want to make sure that your child is starting on Big Daddy, starting on the big number, and then when they start counting at the hop. So that's why you want to make them put their finger or pencil and do the hop. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer would then be 29. 23 plus 6 is 29. And you can do the same thing when you subtract. They would need their number line to go up to 28 at least. And so you would again start on Big Daddy, that's 28, and since we are subtracting, we're going to go the other way. If I can get my number line to cooperate. So we're going to start on Big Daddy 28, and we need it to go backwards. So again, the big misconception, they want to count 28 and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that makes them miss the problem. Make sure that they put their finger or pencil to start on 28 and then do their hops and follow it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so the correct answer would be 23. This is just one strategy they can use to help them get the answers to addition and subtraction problems. The strategy of using a number line or an open number line. Thanks for listening.